We focus primarily on the outcome, not on the fight, so to speak. So the goal is the family unit, maintaining that family unit, growing it in a different direction, and helping these people find a new future. That's our goal.
We're going to be there every step of the way. We're going to be beside you. We're going to be talking you through it. And any questions that you have, you're going to get answers.
What's important to me about being an attorney is that I get to make people's lives better. I get to help them. I get to help make children safer. And I get to make sure that families are brought back together in a healthy manner and people get the help that they need. It's just so important to me that I actually be able to make a difference in people's lives and help them. That's the whole reason I became an attorney.
Our clients want to be heard. They want to be understood. They want to know that their attorney cares about their problem. If I can't care about their problem, I don't need to be their attorney.
Well, everybody has gone through something. I've been divorced, so I understand.
I want to know what their problems are. I want to wade in hip deep with them in the muck and start pulling them out. That's the job.
Our flat fees are amazing because my client never has to second guess calling me. If they want to call me 10 times a day because there's an emergency, they call me as many times as they need to. My clients have my cell phone if there's a custody action, if I think there could be any sort of emergency. I'd much rather them text me, call me, whatever on a Saturday, us deal with it, and then they can move on with their lives throughout the weekend as opposed to them having to stress about it.
We're there for you. We're done. The money needs to be secondary to your actual case itself.
Family law is not a 9-to-5 job. Family law is absolutely 24/7. We're there for the families, and chaos and conflict happen at all times of the hour, and I want to make sure I'm there to help you.
My goal in opening my practice was really to start something that would even stretch beyond me. So how did I come up with my team? I came up with people that I liked.
Cape Fear Family Law isn't really an office to us. It's really more of a home.
When people walk in the office and I'm the first person that they interact with, I just try to make them feel comfortable and at ease. And most of the time when they walk in, the first thing they see isn't me. They look around at all the colors. And then they see me and say, wow, this is different.
So it's not, stuffy old dark furniture with law books on the shelves. It's paintings and pictures, and it's a modern feel, and I think it kind of brings a little bit of lightness into their day.
So the atmosphere at Cape Fear Family Law is obviously far different than any other atmosphere from any other law firm in Wilmington or anywhere that I've seen.
It's a family environment. People are more comfortable when they walk in. They feel like they're going to talk to a person and that person is going to care what they have to say.
You're not just you and your attorney, you have an entire team behind you. And we work together and we work through all the problems and we make sure that they know that we've talked it through, we've come up with every solution we can possibly think of. And I think that makes a huge difference to the clients knowing that you have a whole team behind you.
I literally do anything and everything. There's many times a year where we have to evaluate, wait, what are your responsibilities again? Most rewarding thing that I get out of it is knowing that I helped someone feel better about the situation or help someone reach a settlement where they're with an outcome that they can live with and that they can move on with.
We deal with really stressful, hard things. People's lives, people's children. Sometimes it's life or death. And to be able to balance that also means that not only do you have a good team, but that you also have a way to release that stress and to cope with the problems. So it is a great space to tell jokes. We are laughing probably the majority of our day, even through the hardship, because if you can't find the humor and the happiness in it, you're not going to be able to help clients find the humor and the happiness in their life and help them find their goals. Everybody is different. Every single client is different. And we have to look at them each as an individual. There is really no greater joy than getting to meet each of our clients, getting to the heart of their problem and solving it.
We like to say that nobody's really a winner in these cases because they're hard things that you have to deal with, and nobody feels like they're winning when they're going through a custody battle or a divorce.
Our job ends when the client understands what the order says, how to implement the order in their everyday life, and how to keep it going, and how to keep that relationship alive with the parent, the child, the co-parents, in many cases ex-husbands, ex-wives. So our job continues where we counsel our clients beyond the day the judge enters that order in how they should accept their new reality, their new life, and move forward with that. Our focus is on our clients, not on our egos, not on our checkbox in the win column. We want our clients to feel like they are well cared for and that we've got their legal interests at heart for them.
I would say Cape Fear Family Law symbolizes doing what's right. It's not about winning and losing, it's about doing what's right.
So a good day for me is a day that ends with a separation agreement that's signed, a contract that's signed outside of the court system, where nobody has even filed the first document with court. Well, if they can move out and end up having birthdays together with their children, going and dancing at their children's weddings together, being able to be at parent-teacher conferences together, that is a good day. It's almost a great day. The win for me is when a client's future is bright, when they can walk out the door and still have a future. If we can create that on any level, everyone has won, including the children.
The biggest reward for me is being able to lay my head down at night and know that I have helped make a child safe. That is the most rewarding thing that I could ever ask for out of this job.
I started doing family law because, number one, I found out I was really good at it, but also because I could not sit at a desk and not have human contact all day. I wanted to be where the problems were, and I wanted to be having solutions and helping people. So what gets me out of bed is, number one, my team. I mean, you can't work with a better group of people and have more fun. Number two is the clients. I make resolutions happen for them. I help them to do that. And getting to see their end results, knowing that they've gone off and had a good future. I hear from my clients all the time about new marriages, other children they've had, just that things are going well. And just knowing that I've been a part of that, that's huge. If you can be a difference in one person's life, I mean, that's worth living for. So what gets me out of bed in the morning is just loving what I do.